There's nothing like the sound of Paradise. It doesn't sound like you have hearing aids in. It heightens your hearing, but it's very natural. With the Paradise hearing aids, it made me feel almost younger, that I didn't have any problems. I'm not totally deaf, but it was so much clearer, and it made me feel happy that I was able to hear and understand everything someone was saying, whether it be on the phone, whether it be with my husband right across the chair from me, or someone that I was speaking to outside. It just made me feel good.